I used to see you fuck in the shade of the trees, from the lights and the leaves to the bites on your knees. Kill the universe, might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free, I'm the architect.
Hi, my name is Jacob and I will show you how to do a complete model of steel warehouse in robot structural analysis. So first of all, you need to select project. It will be frame 3D design. Then you need to add axis of your building. So for my warehouse it will be 24 meters by 38 and 6 meters as distance between main frames. So here in structural axis you need to start with position, so it's 0 beginning of coordinate system, which is here. X is transverse distance, so number of repetition we'll put 2, and distance 12, so 2 times 12 is 24. 12 is the middle point of our truss. Y is for longitudinal distance, so again 0, number of repetition 8, and distance is 6 meters as the distance between main frames. And here we change numbering from those numbers 1, 2, 3, ABC for value. Okay, and now description of our axis will be the distance from the 0 position. Z is the height of our building. As you can see here, Z goes up. And for my warehouse, I only need this distance, which is between point where column is fixed to the foundation plus 0.6 for safety. You know, this connection can be higher. I mean, the connection can be longer than you assume in model. And second point is connection between steel truss and our column. So 9.8 meters. Add and number of repetition 1. Apply. Now, as you can see, the axes are exactly the same as here in my AutoCAD drawing. And what we need next is geometry of our truss. It's complicated to draw it in robot, so the best way is to import axis of your truss from AutoCAD drawing. So to make it more clear, I just made new file with only the axis, and you import your axis. Bam. Truss background. Oh, and now you need to adjust your background because you see it's way too big. First thing, units. In my drawing in AutoCAD I used millimeters, and you see much better, but then you need to change plane. Plane is XZ. And now my background goes up, and insertion point. So you start with reference point. Here is the point where the connection with column is, and insertion point on the top of my column. Okay, and axes are ready. Next we will go to modeling steel bars.